Hello everyone. Today's learning topic is adjectives that we call describing words in our English grammar. Why we call these describing words? Because it always used to describe about the noun. Describe means adding more information. It tells more about the noun. So that's why we call it these adjective words, describing words. Adjectives always describe, always adds more information about the noun, about a place, about a thing, about a person. So in simple, we can say adjectives are that words which adds more information, which tells more about the given nouns. Which type of information we get about the nouns that we come to know? The very first is it tells about the size of the noun. Like this is small, this is big, this is tall. We can say elephant is big. This is a big elephant. Then elephant is noun here and describing word is big because it tells about the size of a noun. This is a tall giraffe. So in this way we can tell about the size of the noun. So with the help of adjectives we can get about the size of the given nouns. Then next is numbers, like how many. This is 1, like 2, 3, 4, 5. I have one pencil, I have 2 dolls, I have one toy. So this in this way we can get number, quantity about the nouns, about the things, about a person, about a place. So the next is shape. It describes the shape of the noun, like round, square, like triangle. So number of shapes, any kind of shape we can get with the help of adjectives. It tells about the shape of a noun. So next is color. So what we get, it tells about the size and how many, and next one is shape. Further we move about the colors, like this is green dog, like this is red, orange, yellow, green, purple. Like I have a red pen, I have a green pencil, I have a black purse, I have red slippers. So many examples we can get. So adjectives always used to describe the color of the given nouns. Next we get about how something feels in a way of touch. This is something feels but in the way of touch. Like this is sharp. This is push pin. So this is a sharp pin. So this girl is wet. This is wet girl. This is I have a furry dog. She is a wet now and I have a furry dog. This is pig is muddy. So here we can count such nouns like how something feels but in a way of touch. So the next is how something sounds. This adjectives always used to tell about the sounds of the noun also, like he speaks loud, he speaks soft. Next this is quiet place, this is silent place, this is noisy place. So what about the sound, like soft? We can use here number of adjectives like loud, soft, silent, noisy, quiet. So these kinds of adjectives we use to describe the sound of the noun. The thing is sounds, that how sounds that. Next is, this is about the smell. So here it tells about the smell of the given nouns, like the shoe smells bad. For the smell we can use adjectives like good, like spicy, like foul, perfumed smells. So number of adjectives we have for the use of smell to describe any noun. The next one is the way something moves. Like this is fast. The car moves very fast. For such kind of examples we have, like the tiger moves very fast. The snail moves slow. And tortoise also moves very slow. So fast, slow, these words we can use to describe how something moves, how the noun about the movements. Next is emotions. It describes here expressions or emotions, like the girl is happy, this is like sad, this looks so tired, like she looks happy, she looks tired, she looks very sad today. So number of words like happy, sad, tired, exhaust, number of words we can use to express our emotions. So these adjectives we find to for our feelings, for our expressions, for our emotions. Then next last one is how something tastes. For taste we use adjectives like, we can say it's bitter, it's sweet, it's sour, so it's a yummy taste, na? So number of these words that describe the taste of a noun. So what we learned in this video, that is about the adjectives that we call describing words in simple, because it always describing means in simple we can say tells more something about, means adding more information about the noun. Which type of information it's giving about the size, it's telling how many about the noun, it's giving shape knowledge also about the noun, it's telling the color of a noun and about the feel with the help of touch, and next about the sounds, and we get about the smell also, and here it tells how moves that particular thing what we talking about, and the next it express our emotions also, and the next last one is it tells about the taste of the particular that given nouns. So thank you everyone.